and sustaining right intention in relating to a teacher.
Lomagi samlo kurtang la ra le ge saris and tende samlo kun lomagi samlo tang del ra le wende de loma korang ngone that samlo yabo da chejo la samlo chitang gonna de la mi kalom tang lapten de chikare sonje nas
siangge techi quand ino tomar lama toba ton ne lama toba de tamchi chilengone tombo kechi te kyayeres.
So in all the teachings, or like every tradition, first day is like the how to investigate on the qualities of the master, and then also like master also investigating the quality of the student. So this is very important, and in most of the texts before going to the actual practice or the teachings, so this subject is discussed as the first topic.
Okay, this lama de ron so kori ne redu tome kash de sunayo dumar ji rongi imba de hako di tone de kasha de senten tanje sera tome rongi pamash ye imba ji hako ashi de ni hit dem mo rongi jula yedu da de kori dunga tele yar Torvitadu, then Lama Candidate Tangudu, Chu Candidate Nyansu Langudu, there are also some of Tone, then Lama Targiris.
So, how the students must find their teacher? So, the first understanding they must have is now the sufferings in the 6 realms. So wherever a sentient being is born, the seeker of this spiritual path must see that all these 6 realms of cyclic existence is a place of suffering, and then having a yearning to be freed from this suffering. And with this intention also, then the seeker of the spiritual path, the student must have the bodhicitta of seeing all sentient beings of equal to space, where our mother, and with this two intention or motivation, then seeking a path to liberate from this suffering and to benefit all the sentient beings, the student must look for a master.
Shemba Malowa Jidong Lama le Teba Migu Tin Toban Meneti Arrange then Lama then Pento Gemers.
So a student who don't really have detached from the adherence to the cyclic existence, and then also do not have firm devotion to a master, then there won't be much benefit through these practices.
Siamo che sanji di cele ndo ma niere ndo ci carne ta siamo ci sono per la mattenle ogni solena yabo yer ha jo nega te tam ti mar te sono ma ci caso te lama sorge de tenle rongi yabo ci nyaso manena te ne kori dungar tamibati dinrogume chogere te lama del rono so toshi she sane sonde te lame kan sombate te mejeba gene te ne don senle te chule ti du sombate kechiateres.
So in Buddhism we have the Sutrayana teachings and then the Tantra teachings or the Vajrayana teachings. So in the Sutrayana teachings and the practices. Of course, we have to rely on a master, but then practice that. And if we there is no much complete reliance on the master, but when we practice the Vajrayana teaching, the master or the teacher becomes the principal subject where we have to rely on. And then before relying on that spiritual master, we have to really examine the qualities of the teacher, and then rely on him. And if then it should be a complete reliance and devotion. And if there is some sort of breakage in this the relation, then it will cause a great harm and suffering. And then instead of liberating from the suffering, it can create more of the negative impact.
Dalam jikane sanji ji gomon tobala kachen drome som so so tujung ne sanji gomon togubajeres.
So in the Sutrayana teachings, it is said that to get enlightened, one have to practice 3 countless eons to get enlightened.
This angajikala tibarema mambachiyorede. Dene tata ate yoga dubachemo nenaji kolle. Loma rato dembachi ke kaserina tseti liti drebo togubajeres.
So in and the secret mantrayana teaching, there are again different yanas, and of all this the Ati Yoga, the great completion, then if one is able to practice this spiritual path and the teachings, it is said that we can accomplish enlightenment in one lifetime and this one body.
Lamale sonje musum tong tubaji sam tong guyores.
So for that, then because of this, now the student must also see the master as the real Buddha.
Dere sano madonna che drebo nyodu mentebade kalekores.
So if one is not able to see our own master as Buddha, then all this accomplishment to swiftly achieve these goals would be impossible.
The lama sonje te tongu bate loma rana so ki dandre mato lama la guya maris.
So to see the teacher as the Buddha, it is for the benefit of these students, and it doesn't anyway help the master.
This lama sonje te tona lama tanden lama meru tona te tanyang daji do tegures.
So in these teachings, if we see the teacher Lama as Buddha, then he abides by all the samayas. And then if the students see the Lama as just an ordinary being, so it's even said that it's not abiding by the samaya.
Yena yo deson chögi kaji toni shisheva jiremado ni topane shishenga de gombores.
So nowadays, all the practitioners are just superficial practitioners, just practicing through their mouth, and then from real in-depth, the one who practices these teachings are very rare and few.
Kagishede, dobachembe chögi segeres, dan lad ron sosogi, dedon jinta son tabacheji, lomma de gombores.
So everyone speaks of saying that I want the teachings of the Dzogpa Chenpo, the great completion practice, but in real practice, then there are very few who can really put into the practice of all these teachings.
usunda jere mato message etunga
So those who practice, then there are some who can practice just a couple of months, but there isn't really practitioners who want to like make a commitment to practice their whole life.
Dans les quartiers sont de source de son Diego Bontobado. Son Doba Chembegane, mais c'est qu'il est de Betoshiva, check cassette du Théna, ce qui est de Nyanslem.
So if we see that in the Sutrayana path, then one have to practice many countless eons to get enlightened, and then in the Mantrayana teachings, it's like within a very short life, short time, one can get enlightenment. But there are very few who practices in accordance to whatever our text is teaching us and instructing us to do.
There's a Dawachari Nyanso Lena Pe Masiki Jirimbo Kali Kabona di Tondung Kadore, they Sanji Goron, Dobacham Tawa Mandu Kandi Jogi Hamos.
So then just by practicing for a couple of months, then people feel that very tiring, and then it is very sort of like lots of like austerity practice and all these teachings, they see it as sort of like really hard and endurable practices. So with such a motivation, it would be very difficult to really accomplish all these teachings as taught in the text.
Lama Sonjil Tone, Rogi Gosu Lingua Yeso, Temba Chisheduna, then Debo Mere Mato, Lama call Mere Now me some but she gone home, Lama and Kukur Lasoba, Chinas, Leontoba Malone, Chi hit Sonjiko Top Maris.
So if we just are not able to see the Lama as the Buddha and just think that Lama is also another ordinary human being and I am also another human being, and practice in this way won't have any much benefit, like just by understanding and having the just the knowledge on this Dharma won't benefit. So the real benefit has to come through the practice of these teachings.
Berlina Lama de Ganga Chemochi Lama de Sede, Lama Sesa de Lama de Garsona de Gar Mangavase, Saja Mena Che to Konalepar, repatriation Dugire, Tendesi, Devo de Togure. They don't have comments.
So in Tibet, first we have to find an authentic master with much difficulties, and then once we find the master, then we completely rely on that master and do whatever the master instruct the student, and in that way, even if the person is running out of all this his ration and all these provisions, then he doesn't care, and just with one pointed mind he just think of practicing the Dharma, and in that way one is able to really accomplish high realization. And nowadays there is very few, and so I don't know what will be the result.
Kalaya body marana or then Halish Dogres, the day you children at the Hakomits.
So nowadays practitioner, even if one is not able to get a good meal in a day, so it's very much surprising and takes it disgusting, or and then so such practitioners, I don't know how they can really accomplish this spiritual path.
Kala in a conscience that you for job Majatan Chunda to pass the Turkish tomb, then Chute Korota Chia Sherimado, Saju Jan News of the Torch Shim Suyamas.
So in the past, the practitioners were just not worried about about their food and where they want to stay, and then they just drank water and then just ate limited food, and then they were solely completely focused on the practice of the Dharma, and in that way they were able to accomplish high realization.
More than no much. Not on the here good day in Mount Baniabo, Malon Hugh to choose.
Then, so like how this is the relation, as you said, to speak on the relation between master and student. So this is the general idea, and then he also makes aspirational prayers so that there can be good practitioners in future.
Okay, oh yeah.